Hey, it's Justine, and I want to give a huge thanks to Google for sponsoring this video because today we're checking out the brand new Pixel 10 Pro XL. And not only am I going hands-on with this phone, you can actually shop it directly from this video with YouTube Shopping. And if you're quick, use the code iJustine150 to get $150 off the Pixel 10 series on the Google Store. That is limited to the first 200 people, so don't wait. Here it is, the Pixel 10 Pro XL. The suspense. Oh, it looks so good. We've also got a USB-C cable. Let's charge it up. I'm already loving this design. They kept the iconic camera bar, but now it's even more seamless, crafted from premium materials. This is scratch resistant and designed to handle everyday drops. IP68 for water and dust, and it comes in some awesome new colors with a more sophisticated design. Now this is the brightest Pixel display ever. A 6.8-inch super actual display that peaks at 3,300 nits. That means it's easy to use outside in direct sunlight. The Pixel 10 series comes loaded with the best of Google's AI, including Gemini, your AI assistant. You can brainstorm ideas, get info quickly, and even use Gemini Live for conversations, like sharing your screen or even using your camera to chat about what you're looking at. With Gemini, I love chatting with it pretty much all day long, but I also love having this video view. What is this plant?
Oh, I see the flower now. That's the African fortnight lily I mentioned. You can see its distinctive white petals with yellow and blue eye markings. Isn't it pretty?
It is. Do you think I'm pretty?
Based on everything I can see, you have a very friendly and approachable appearance.
Hey, so I'm working on a review video for the Google Pixel 10 XL. Can you give me some suggestions on how to make the best review video?
To make your video even better, consider adding some visuals to support your points, like screen recordings of the AI features in action, or comparative photos from the camera.
Now, obviously, I've been using the video so you can show what's on your screen. I've been talking to it, but you can also type as well. For some reason, I always am so polite to my AI chatbots. Like, I just said please. It doesn't really matter, but to me it does. They've also introduced Magic Queue. It surfaces the info you need right when you need it. For example, if you're calling your airline, your flight info pops right up. The thing that I love the most on smartphones is their cameras, and this is the most advanced Pixel camera yet. It's got a triple camera system with a 50 megapixel wide lens, an upgraded telephoto that zooms up to 100x with ProRes zoom, and video boost for incredible detail in low lights. There's also a front camera at 42 megapixels with autofocus. All of this is powered by the new Google Tensor G5 chip, which has an on average 25% faster CPU, up to 60% more powerful AI TPU, and supports Pixel's all-day battery. Plus, this is packed with 16 gigs of RAM, and with the Pro XL, you start at 256 gigs of storage. Now, testing out photos is one of my favorite parts. Now, what's really great is you can shoot in 12 or 50 megapixels, so you just have to go up here into the options. You can click 12 or 50. There is another option to do a 100x zoom. Now, that only works if you are in the 12 megapixel option, so depending upon how much zoom you want, that'll also determine which megapixel you choose. For me, I do like keeping it on the 50 because you're gonna get more megapixels and you're gonna get higher quality photos. So I'm gonna go through and show you what all of the photos look like. So right now I'm gonna do a 0.5. We're gonna do a 1, 2, 5, 10x. Here we are, all the way zoomed to 100. All I can see is leaves. Now this isn't a new feature, but I have to show it to you because I absolutely love it. It's called Add Me. Now why this is cool is there's so many times where you might be out and you want to take a photo with your friend, but there's no one to take the photo with you, but you can use Add Me to add yourself into a photo. For this one, I'm gonna add myself into the photo, so it's a little bit different, but we'll show you how it works. Okay, let's see what it looks like. And there we have it. I'm hanging out with myself. It's cool because you can see both of the photos and the final product. Yeah, that looks good. All right, it is photo time. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow, okay, all right, nice. Why is this sign in there? What is that? Okay, well, you know what we can do? We can do something here. We can remove it using the magic eraser. Here we go. Let's remove. Gone. Save the day. New this year is a feature where you can actually use your voice to edit your photo. So I'm gonna use this photo to remove the 3 signs in the background. And just like magic, the signs are removed. Pretty cool. Something that is new this year is called Pixel Snap. This is a magnetic technology that is built right into the Pixel. So you can snap it onto chargers, stands, grips, or thousands of other Qi 2 compatible accessories effortlessly. And with the Pixel Snap charger on Pixel 10 Pro XL, you can get up to 25 watt fast wireless charging. Pixel 10 is also supported with 7 years of OS, security, and Pixel drop updates, which is massive commitment. So there you have it, friends. This is an overview of everything that's new in the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Now remember, you can shop it right here on this video using YouTube Shopping. You just click the products below. Don't forget to use the code iJustine150 at checkout for $150 off. But again, this is for the first 200 people, so make sure you act fast. Thanks again to Google for sponsoring this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!